Hello, boys and girls. My name is Jesse Cervantes, and I'm a United States Marine Corps veteran. Today I'm going to be reading to you Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. Here we go. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs, little dogs, black dogs, white dogs. All kinds of dogs on the pictures. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. Well, that wasn't very nice. One little dog going in, one little dog coming out. A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. All kinds of dogs sitting on trees. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. So see, there's a lot of things going on there. Two big dogs going up, one little dog going down. They almost look like Clifford. The green dog is going up, the yellow dog is going down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. One dog up in a house, the dogs down in the water. See, they're splashing around and playing. The green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. So he's in a hammock just reading a book. The other one's flying a helicopter. Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. They're on a big merry-go-round. The sun is up, the sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is not hot here under the house. So see, the dog under there's refreshed and he has a little cold drink while the other dog on top of the house, he's a little hot. It is hot out here in the sun. Now it is night. Look at that. Three dogs at a party on a boat at night. They're playing checkers and one guy's playing the banjo. Dogs at work, work dogs work. Dogs at play, play dogs play. They're playing baseball. And look at that, they meet again. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like your hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again, going away fast. They look like they're in a race, but they're all like lined up behind each other. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Look at the little bird right there. He's crossing the street. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. So that's what the bird's yelling at them, telling them push the brakes. Now they stop out of the way. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. And they proceed to go. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. That's one big bed. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to those big trees over there. Now all the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree. To the tree. It's a very high tree. Up the tree. Up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? It's a big dog party. A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at the dog party. What a dog party. Remember them? Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it.